In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a GitHub icon in Microsoft Word. This is useful for resumes, documentation, and other professional documents where you want to display your GitHub profile. First, open your web browser and search for GitHub icon. Browse through the image results and find an icon that you want to use. Once you've found the right image, open it and right-click on the icon. From the menu, select Copy Image. Now, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the GitHub icon to appear. Press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the image into your document. Once the icon is inserted, you can resize it, move it, or adjust its position to fit your document. That's how to insert a GitHub icon in Word. Thanks for watching.